हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम गुल राजपूत एंड यू आर वाचिंग माय चैनल। मैं फिर हाजिर हूँ एक नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में। हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड नमस्ते। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग सुपर और आपकी दुआ से आई एम डूइंग सुपर फैंटास्टिक। सो आज की रेसिपी तो आप समझ चुके हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू मेक इट विद एवोकाडो। तो बहुत ही मज़ेदार हम बनाएंगे एवोकाडो ब्रेड एंड हम बनाएंगे एवोकाडो डोसा। बड़ी सिंपल सी रेसिपी है। ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स डिटेल्स विल बी देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। डू चेक इट आउट। Few things about avocado, especially about their nutritional value. Okay, they are healthy for the heart, great for vision. It helps to prevent osteoporosis. Okay, it reduces depression risk and improves your digestion. One thing you need to remember if you're making avocado, okay, two things lead to the avocado getting bitter. One, if it's underripe, or because you have cooked it. So a good avocado is soft to touch, has got a lovely green flesh, and there are no spots. Sometimes avocado which has got this kind of dark color skin, even they turn to taste bitter when cooked. And if the avocado flesh has got dark spots, even that can taste bitter when cooked. So how do you avoid that? So any kind of avocado dish you're making, add to that some lemon juice. That will prevent your avocado from becoming bitter, okay, especially if you're baking it. So let's quickly start with today's recipe. So here I have peeled the avocado as you have seen on the video. I have removed the pulp. Look at the color, beautiful color. So with 2 avocado pulp, I made the banana bread, and with 1 avocado pulp, I made the dosa. So here this is 2 cup boiled rice and suji which I had already soaked in water, and to this I am adding the pulp of 1 avocado, okay, and then I am adding the suji, and then I blended this into a dosa batter. The complete measurement is there in the description box for this dosa. Friends, to check it out. Avocado dosa batter. And then friends, to this batter I added some half teaspoon kutti lal mirch, half teaspoon zeera powder, and then I added some salt, and I added 1.5 teaspoon Eno powder. Okay, spices you can take as per your preference. Avocado does not have any taste of its own. That's the reason why I added. Then just give it a good mix and make the dosa like you make your regular dosa and serve it with your choice of chutney. I did find the dosa very aromatic after adding avocado. The same avocado you can also add to your wheat flour and make chapatis out of it. You don't need oil or water to make the avocado paratha. Very simple. Do try it out. I already have a fantastic recipe on my channel for avocado. I made guacamole out of it. I will leave the link on the screen. Make sure you check it out. I could not resist, and out of the same batter I made avocado Uttapam, and it tasted just super. As I told you, squeezing lemon juice while making avocado recipe is important, but dosa batter is anyway little sour. So for that reason I did not add any kind of lemon juice, and it tasted just fine. Now let's get started with avocado bread. This is 2 avocado, okay. I've beaten it well, okay, and now we'll go and sieve the maida. So maida I've taken around 2 cups, okay. I was falling short of little maida, so I added little wheat flour, but you ensure that you take 2 cups maida, okay, and sieve it along with other dry ingredients like the baking powder, which I took 1.5 teaspoon. Then I added 2 teaspoon powder sugar. One I added now and other later, and then sprinkled some salt over here, pinch of salt, And okay, and here comes the another 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar, and then finally I added half teaspoon khane ka soda, baking soda or cooking soda. All right, all these dry ingredients, sift it well, okay, into any bowl that you are using. So this is ready, the dry ingredient is ready, okay, and I'm going to keep this aside now. Now let's come to our wet ingredients. So we have here our avocado paste, okay, and I'm just measuring to see for you people. This is almost 1 cup, okay. So to this we are going to add half cup milk. So I'm adding 1/4 cup now, okay. I'm going to give this a fantastic mix. Ensure that all your ingredients are at room temperature, okay. Okay, we will now add 2 tablespoons coconut oil or any vegetable oil of your choice, and squeeze 2 teaspoons lemon juice. Very important, don't forget. At times it can be very tricky to use an avocado, you know, for baking. So ensure that you add the lemon juice. Okay, now we have our pumpkin seeds here, okay. Take how much you want, it's up to you. Pumpkin seeds, including flax seeds and sesame seeds. Mix it with half teaspoon maida. Alright, here is our wet ingredient and here is our dry ingredient. Now let's mix them. So we have our dry ingredients here. Now we'll add all the wet ingredients to this. And once you have added, take your spatula, okay, and give it a good mix, and we'll add the coconut oil as well and give it a fantastic mix, okay. And now what I did, I added the remaining milk as well. The total milk added was half cup. Give it a very good mix. You have to mix this well at least for 5 minutes. आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से मिक्स करना है. उसके बाद break your 2 eggs and add it to this. Friends, I don't know why my voice is sounding so sharp on the video today, so please excuse me. So both the eggs are added, and again you have to give it this a very good mix at least for 2 to 3 minutes. You know, the egg should completely get mixed in this batter, okay. And have your tin ready, okay. We all know how to grease the tin. At the bottom I've sprinkled some nuts, and see, this is the consistency should be there. This consistency you should bring in your batter. So everything I have poured it in the tin. If you want, you can put one paper lining below if you like, otherwise this is sufficient. Once you have transferred the complete batter to the cake tin, tap it 2 to 3 times to remove any extra air bubble out of it. Now sprinkle all your nuts on the top. Now your avocado bread is ready to bake for 35 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. Friends, one tip I've already shared with you all, that lemon juice is very much important to add when you're making avocado dishes. Second tip is when you make bread or cake out of avocado, ensure that you keep it in the fridge once it cools down. This will prevent the bread or cake from becoming bitter. Now here the avocado bread has risen very well. We will insert a wooden skewer right in the center of the bread, and if it comes out clean, this is done. Skewer came out absolutely clean, and this was done, okay. Then I switched off the oven and I allowed the bread to sit inside the oven for 5 minutes, and then after that I got it out on the table. We baked this for 35 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. Now I was pretty excited to see the avocado bread. Awesome. So do follow all my tips and tricks to make avocado bread. And always remember that whenever you are heating avocado, baking, cooking, always add some lemon juice. Otherwise, your bread or your dish can turn bitter. Please follow all the tips and tricks to make the avocado bread or cake. Friends, I do hope you have enjoyed today's video. A lot of effort has gone in making it. If you have enjoyed as much as I enjoyed making this bread, then do remember to subscribe my channel, give your support so that my channel grows. And if you have still not subscribed, please subscribe so that you receive new notifications of all my new uploads, which is completely free. The fantastic recipes are in queue, and one by one I'll be uploading all of them. So do ensure that you subscribe. So friends, if you have liked anything in today's recipe, then don't forget to give your like, share and subscribe. Take very good care of yourself. Be safe. Good food, good mood. And until we meet next, don't forget to eat, love and pray. Bye.